Good morning, Leo. Did you sleep well?
Hey, yeah, I slept fine. You look a bit pale, though.
Me? No, I feel okay. But you don't look well today.
What do you mean? I feel great.
Your eyes are tired and you have dark circles.
That's just the morning light. Come on, let's have breakfast.
I'm not really hungry. Maybe just tea.
You love breakfast. What's going on?
Nothing. I just feel a little strange.
Strange how?
Like my head is floating and my stomach is queasy.
You should sit down. Let me get you some water.
No, don't bother. I'll be fine.
Emma, you're swaying. You're not fine.
I said I'm fine. Stop fussing.
I'm not fussing. I'm worried. You're never like this.
Maybe I just need fresh air.
You can barely stand. Let me help you to the couch.
Leo, I'm serious. You look worse than me.
That's impossible. You're as white as a sheet. I'm calling the doctor.
No, don't call anyone. I hate hospitals.
You might have a fever. Let me feel your forehead.
Don't. Your hands are cold.
They're not cold. You're burning up.
I just got out of bed. Give me a minute.
A minute won't bring your color back. You're shaking.
It's chilly in here. Can you close the window?
The window is closed, Em. You're having chills.
Then get me a blanket and stop staring at me like that.
Like what? Like I care about you?
Like I'm a patient. I hate that look.
Fine, I'll look at the wall. But you need to tell me exactly how you feel.
My chest feels tight and my throat hurts.
Since when?
Since last night. I didn't want to wake you.
You should have woken me. That's what I'm here for.
You had an early meeting. I didn't want to ruin your day.
My day is already ruined if you're sick. Work can wait.
You're too good to me, Leo.
No, I'm not nearly good enough. Now let me take your temperature.
Where's the thermometer?
In the bathroom cabinet. Don't move. I'll get it.
I can walk. I'm not crippled.
Just stay put. I'm faster.
Fine, hurry.
Found it. Open up.
I can do it myself.
Just let me help, please.
Puts thermometer under tongue.
Waiting. You're so stubborn.
Removes thermometer. 102.3? That can't be right.
Let me see. Yeah, that's right. You need a doctor.
It's probably just a cold. People get fevers.
Not 102 degrees. That's a high fever.
I've had higher. Remember last winter?
That was 101, and I took you to urgent care.
They did nothing, just said rest and fluids.
This feels different. You're dizzy, right?
A little, but I'll be fine. Can you make me some soup?
Soup? You can barely swallow. I'm making you go to the hospital.
I am not going to the hospital. End of discussion.
It's not a discussion. You're going.
You don't get to decide for me.
I do when you're delirious with fever.
I'm not delirious. I'm perfectly logical.
You just said I don't look well. I feel fine. That's not logical.
But you really don't look well. Your face is pale.
Emma, look in a mirror. You're the one who's pale.
I don't believe you.
Hands her his phone front camera. See for yourself.
Looks... Oh, that doesn't look like me.
That's you. Now will you listen?
Maybe I just need makeup.
Makeup won't fix a fever. You're scaring me.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to scare you.
Then let's go. I'll drive. You can sleep in the car.
I don't want to leave the house. I feel safe here.
You'll be safe at the hospital too. Safer.
Hospitals are full of sick people. I'll catch something worse.
You're already sick, and you might need antibiotics. Please, Em.
Okay, but only because you're begging.
I am begging. Thank you.
Don't thank me yet. I'll probably complain the whole way.
Complain all you want. Just get dressed.
I can't wear jeans. They're too tight.
Wear sweatpants. I don't care.
And a hoodie? I'm cold.
Yes, a hoodie and a jacket and a blanket in the car.
You're treating me like a child.
You're acting like one, a sick one.
You're an idiot.
You're idiot. Now can you stand on your own?
I think so. Stands, sways, maybe not.
I've got you. Arm around my shoulder.
I'm heavy.
You weigh nothing. Come on, one step at a time.
My legs feel like noodles.
That's the fever. Almost to the door.
Leo, wait. I think I'm going to be sick.
Bathroom is right there. Hurry. I'll hold your hair.
After vomiting, that was awful.
You're okay. Let's rinse your mouth.
I don't want to move again.
We have to. The car's waiting.
Can't we just call an ambulance?
An ambulance will take longer. I'm faster.
You drive like a maniac.
I'll drive like a grandma. Promise.
Getting in car. This seat is too cold.
I'll turn on the heated seat. See?
You're really sweet, you know.
Don't get sappy on me now.
I'm serious. Most guys would have left for work.
Most guys are idiots. Buckle up.
It hurts to bend.
Let me. Buckles her seatbelt.
You smell nice.
You're delirious. I haven't showered.
No, you always smell nice. Like pine.
Focus, Em. We're going to the hospital. Try to stay awake.
I feel like I'm dreaming.
Don't fall asleep yet. Talk to me.
About what?
Anything. What do you want for dinner tomorrow?
I can't think about food.
Okay, then tell me a story.
Once upon a time, a girl got sick and her boyfriend forced her to go to the hospital.
That's not a good story.
Then you tell one.
Once upon a time, a boy loved a girl so much he'd do anything for her.
That's cheesy.
You asked for a story.
I'm sorry for being difficult.
You're always difficult. I'm used to it.
That's not true. I'm usually easygoing.
Sure you are. Like a hurricane is easygoing.
Don't make me laugh. It hurts.
Sorry. Just trying to keep you awake.
How much longer?
10 minutes. We're almost there. Hold on.
This parking lot is huge.
It's a hospital. They have a huge lot.
I forgot how ugly this place is.
It's not a resort. Come on, let's find a spot.
Park close. I can't walk far.
I'll drop you at the entrance first.
No, don't leave me alone.
I'll just take 2 minutes. You'll be fine.
What if I pass out?
Then someone will help you, but you won't.
I'm scared, Leo.
I know, but I'm right here. See that door? I'll walk you to it.
Hold my hand.
Always. Let's go. Slow steps.
The floor is moving.
That's just the pattern. Look at me, not the floor.
Your face is blurry.
That's because you're not wearing your glasses.
I left them on the nightstand.
It's okay. I'll be your glasses. Describe what you see.
I see a lot of sad people.
That's the ER for you. Let's get you a wheelchair.
I don't need a wheelchair.
Yes, you do. Stay here. I'll grab one.
Don't go far.
Returns with wheelchair. Sit.
This feels ridiculous.
It feels safe. Now let's check in.
Name and date of birth?
Emma Collins, 05-14-1996.
And what brings you in today?
High fever, vomiting, dizziness, chest tightness.
I can speak for myself.
Then speak. What's your symptom?
Everything hurts, and Leo is annoying.
Smiles. I'll note that. Please fill out these forms. I'll do it. Do you have a pen?
My hands are shaking too much anyway.
See? That's why I'm here. Insurance card?
In my wallet, back pocket of my jeans.
Got it. Now we wait.
How long?
Not sure. Could be hours.
Hours. I can't sit here for hours.
You're in a wheelchair. You don't have to sit upright.
This chair is uncomfortable.
Lean on me. I'll stand behind you.
Your chest is hard.
Sorry, I'll try to be softer.
Laugh weakly. You're impossible.
Look, a kid just threw up on the floor.
Don't tell me that. Gross.
I'm just saying it could be worse.
How is that helpful?
It's not. I'm nervous. I talk nonsense when I'm nervous.
You're nervous? I'm the one with fever.
I'm nervous for you. That's worse.
That's sweet, in a weird way.
Emma Collins? The nurse is calling you.
Finally. Push me, Jeeves.
I can't stand.
She has severe dizziness. Can she stay in the chair?
Of course, we'll do a seated weight. 145 pounds, same as last month. And height?
5'6".
Now let me check your blood pressure. That cuff is too tight. It has to be. Just a moment. Ow! 90/60. That's low. Are you normally low?
No, usually 120/80.
And your temperature is 103 now. It's rising.
Is that dangerous?
We'll get her back quickly. Any trouble breathing? A little, like my chest is heavy. Any recent travel or sick contacts?
No, we've been home all week.
Okay, I'm putting you in a fast-track room. Follow me.
This room is freezing.
I'll ask for a warm blanket.
And some water. My mouth is dry.
I can't give you water yet. They might need to do tests.
That's cruel.
That's medicine. Doctor will be here soon.
What if it's something serious?
Then we'll deal with it. Together.
You say that like it's easy.
I didn't say easy. I said together.
I'm scared of needles.
I know. Look at me when they draw blood.
Will you hold my other hand?
Of course. Squeeze as hard as you want.
You're going to lose circulation.
Worth it.
Hello, I'm Dr. Patel. Emma, right? Yes, please don't poke me too much.
I'll be gentle. Tell me when this started.
Last night, but it got worse this morning.
Any cough or runny nose?
Dry cough, no runny nose.
Any rash or joint pain?
No rash. My knees ache, but that's normal for me.
Any recent medications?
She took ibuprofen last night, 400 milligrams.
How do you remember that?
I pay attention. Good. Any allergies?
Penicillin. It gives me hives.
Noted. I want to do a chest x-ray and blood work.
X-ray? Is it my lungs?
Possibly. I hear some crackling when you breathe.
Crackling? That sounds bad.
It could be pneumonia or just a bad viral infection.
Can you give me something for the fever?
After the blood work, we need accurate numbers first.
Leo, tell them I'm not difficult.
She's not difficult. She's just scared. That's normal. We'll take good care of you.
I can't watch.
Look at me. Remember our first date?
You spilled wine on my dress.
And you laughed instead of getting angry?
I was pretending to be nice.
It worked. I fell in love. Small prick now.
Ow! Leo, talk louder.
Remember the beach? When you lost your ring in the sand?
And you searched for 2 hours.
Found it, though. Almost missed the sunset.
That was the best sunset.
All done. You did great.
Is that all? That wasn't so bad.
See? You're brave.
I'm brave when you distract me.
I'll always distract you. From anything.
Even from the stupid hospital bed?
Especially from that. Let's play a game.
What game? I'm too tired for games.
20 questions. I'll think of something.
Fine, but make it easy.
Is it a person?
No.
Is it a place?
Yes.
Is it the hospital?
No, that would be too obvious.
Is it our apartment?
No. Guess again.
Is it the beach you mentioned?
Yes. How did you know?
Because you smiled when you said sunset.
You know me too well.
I try. Your turn.
Okay, think of something. My turn to guess.
Go ahead.
Is it the first time we kissed?
No, but close.
Is it the moment you realized you loved me?
Yes. How did you know?
Because that's what I'm thinking of too.
We're so sappy, it's embarrassing.
I don't care. I love you.
I love you too, even when you're sick and stubborn.
Especially when I'm sick and stubborn?
No, just generally. But this is a test.
Am I passing?
Barely. You argued for an hour before coming.
I'm stubborn. You knew that.
I did. It's one of the reasons I love you.
You love that I'm difficult?
I love that you don't give up, even when you should.
Like now? Should I give up?
No. Now you should fight. The fever, not me.
I'll fight the fever. I'll fight anything for you.
That's my girl. I have your results.
Is it bad?
It's pneumonia, but we caught it early.
Pneumonia? How did I get pneumonia?
Could be bacterial or viral. Your white count is high.
Is she going to be okay?
With antibiotics and fluids, yes. But she needs to stay.
Stay? As in overnight?
At least 24 hours, maybe more.
I can't stay here. I have work.
Work can wait. Your lungs can't.
You sound like my mother.
Good. Your mother is smart.
We'll start IV antibiotics and monitor your oxygen.
IV? More needles?
Just one. It will stay in your arm.
I'll be here the whole time.
You can't miss work for days.
I already called my boss. I'm on leave.
You planned this?
I planned to take care of you. Always.
Tears up. You're going to make me cry.
That's okay. Crying is good for the soul.
A private room? I didn't ask for that.
I asked for it. Insurance covers it.
You're too much.
You deserve comfort, even in a hospital.
In the new room. This is actually nice. A window.
See? And a chair that turns into a bed for me.
You're staying overnight?
Did you think I'd leave you alone?
I thought you might go home to sleep.
I'll sleep here. Badly, but here.
You're ridiculous.
You've said that before. Still true.
Can you open the window? I need air.
It doesn't open. Hospital rules.
Then sing to me.
I can't sing.
Hum then. I just want to hear your voice.
Starts humming a soft tune. Close your eyes.
That's beautiful. What song is that?
Something I made up. For you.
You're a secret musician?
No, I'm a secret fool in love.
My fever is down. 99.7.
The nurse just checked. Progress.
I'm hungry. Can I eat?
They said clear liquids for now. Broth or jello.
Jello. Red.
I'll go find some.
Don't leave me.
I'll be 5 minutes. The nurse is right outside.
Promise?
Promise. I'll run.
Returns with Jello. That was 2 minutes.
Told you I'd run. Now eat.
Feed me?
You were impossible. Okay, open wide.
This is the best Jello I've ever had.
Leo, you're asleep in the chair.
Are you okay?
I'm better. Much better. Look!
Your color is back. And you're smiling.
The fever broke at 3 a.m. The nurse said I can go home today.
Really? That's amazing.
All thanks to you. You didn't leave my side.
I told you. Together.
When we get home, I'm making you a feast.
You're still recovering. I'll cook.
You'll burn water. I'll order pizza.
Deal. And then?
And then we cuddle on the couch and watch bad movies.
That sounds perfect.
Leo, thank you for not listening to me.
You mean for forcing you to come here?
Yes, you saved my life.
I just drove the car. The doctors saved your life.
No, you saved me because you looked at me and said, "You don't look well," even when I said it to you. I love you.